So this is how you can see sleep cycles on the Apple Watch. First of all, in order to get any useful information about your sleep on the watch, you need to make sure that you wear it on your wrist during the night. Otherwise, it has obviously no idea about anything you do during night. So once you do have it set up, there is a built-in sleep tracking from Apple. So the first way or the first thing is to use that, right? So you can scroll in here through your apps and get inside of this like blue icon with a bed, which is for sleep. So you get inside in here and you have some sleep stages, which is essentially the sleep cycles. And you can see all of the data, the time you spend in the REM sleep, the deep sleep, wake, everything. Obviously, you need to have the data because, I didn't wear the Apple Watch on my wrist during the night, so it doesn't really know anything. But if you want more information about it, I would recommend you to use a third-party app for it. So there are plenty of sleep tracking apps which you can try. A few of them are like really popular, and one I've tried two of them. So let me just give you my information about it. So the first app is called Sleep Cycles, I believe. So yeah, it's called Sleep Cycle, and this is perfect for seeing the cycles, obviously, but you can see all of the things, essentially more information that the built-in watch sleep tracking. But also there's one cool feature about this app, which is that based on your sleep cycles, it can also wake you up at the perfect time. So you don't choose, you can use this as an alarm. Obviously, it has like this alarm icon, but you don't choose one specific time to wake you up, but you choose a window, like a range. Let's say that you need to wake up from 7 to 8 a.m. And when you wear the Apple Watch on your wrist, you use this app. The app is going to determine what the best point on between the range or in the window is to wake you up. So based on your sleep cycles, it's going to wake you up. It's going to choose itself from which point on it's going to like wake you up. I hope I explained it clearly, right? So if you choose to wake up between 7 and 8 a.m., the Apple Watch might determine based on your sleep cycles that your best time is to wake up at 7:36 a.m. based on, the real-time data it has from the watch and from the app. So this is kind of cool. There is a paid subscription for some extra data, but, you can do whatever you want. I'm not affiliated with the app or anything, so you can just try it out if you wish. And also another thing is called Pillow sleep tracking, which I also tried on like my main iPhone. It's this one right here. But this one, I personally think it's a little bit less accurate. And there's also like a huge paywall for like more data. So up to you to decide. But there are plenty of different apps you can try for sleep tracking and seeing the sleep cycles. So that's it. That's everything I know about it. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you hit the like button if you did. Subscribe to Foxtecc, as there are so many videos which I publish every day to make sure you stay updated and everything. And you might find some videos useful. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.